This morning, I'm noticing something, not new, but familiar. And that matters. Because I've already done the work to recognize what certain patterns feel like in my life. I've already spoken about what it looks like to outgrow spaces, to outgrow dynamics, to outgrow versions of myself that tolerated things I no longer accept. So when something shows up, even in a different form, even in a different relationship, I notice it faster now. Not because I'm looking for problems, but because I've learned to trust what I feel. There's a difference between a moment and a pattern. And when something starts to feel consistent, dismissive, misaligned, unsettling in a quiet way, I don't ignore it anymore. That doesn't mean I stop loving people. It means I stop abandoning myself, because growth will ask you to make different choices with people you once gave unlimited grace to. And that can feel uncomfortable, especially when history is involved, especially when connection is real. But respect, consideration, being able to show up fully and be received, those things matter too. So today, I'm reminding myself, I can acknowledge what I'm noticing without rushing to react. I can take my time and still choose clarity. And I'm learning to trust what I notice without needing to overexplain it. I can care about people without ignoring what doesn't feel right to me. Because not everything is meant to be confronted, but everything is meant to be acknowledged. Because restoration isn't just about healing old wounds. It's about recognizing when something no longer fits and having the courage to respond differently, even if that response is simply choosing not to go back to what I've already outgrown.